Good morning. I'm your trusted weather guide for the Ohio Valley region on this lovely August 7th day. Let's dive into the forecast, shall we? In Illinois, Chicago can expect a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 p.m., with mostly sunny skies and a high near 86 degrees. Meanwhile, Springfield is looking at a mostly sunny day with a high near 91, while Peoria might see some scattered rain showers and thunderstorms around noon. Moving on to Indiana. Indianapolis can expect areas of fog before 8 a.m., followed by mostly sunny skies and a high near 89. Evansville is in for a warm and sunny day, while South Bend might see a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after 8 a.m. In Kentucky, Louisville is looking at patchy fog before 9 a.m., followed by mostly sunny skies and a high near 90. Bowling Green might see some scattered rain showers and thunderstorms around 4 p.m. Across Ohio, Columbus can expect sunny skies and a high near 87, while Cleveland is in for a partly cloudy day with a high near 86. Cincinnati is looking at areas of fog before 10 a.m., followed by mostly sunny skies and a high near 92. In Pennsylvania, Philadelphia is expecting mostly sunny skies with a high near 83, while Pittsburgh can expect a warm and sunny day. Now let's talk about Tennessee. Nashville is in for a hot and humid day with highs reaching up to 93. Memphis is looking at a partly cloudy day with a high near 94. Knoxville might see some scattered showers and thunderstorms around 2 p.m. Finally, in West Virginia, Charleston can expect patchy fog before 8 a.m., followed by mostly sunny skies and a high near 88. Huntington is in for a warm and sunny day. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that an air quality alert has been issued for parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Kentucky due to poor air quality conditions. Stay safe, stay informed, and enjoy the rest of your day. That's it for now. We'll keep you posted. Good morning, this is Tempest with an update on storm damage across the Ohio Valley in the past 24 hours. In Illinois, a brief funnel cloud was reported in Warren County, specifically in Monmouth. Video evidence shared on social media captured this atmospheric spectacle. Additionally, hail measuring half an inch was reported in the same area, adding to the weather activity in Warren County. Moving to Kentucky, Kenton County faced flooding issues. Near Covington, ponding water led to a disabled vehicle on the Brent Spence Bridge. Downtown areas along the river also experienced standing water problems due to the heavy rains. That concludes the storm reports for now. Stay tuned for further updates on weather-related incidents across the region. Thank you for tuning in.
I'm Onyx. Today is August 7th, 2025, and these are some of the most notable events in weather history. We begin our journey back in time on August 7th, 1789, when a powerful hurricane swept through the mid-Atlantic coast, leaving its mark on New York City. Known as the Great New York Hurricane, it was one of the earliest recorded storms to impact the bustling port city, a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable force. Fast forward to August 7th, 1956, when an unexpected tornado outbreak struck the Midwest. Multiple tornadoes touched down across Missouri and Illinois, causing significant damage to communities still trying to recover from earlier storms that year. The event highlighted the critical need for improved forecasting and warning systems, which have since saved countless lives. Jumping ahead, we land on August 7th, 1999, when the intense heat wave gripping the southeastern United States reached its peak. Cities like Atlanta and Birmingham reported temperatures soaring above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, culminating in a heat index that made outdoor conditions nearly unbearable. This event underscored the importance of heat safety and staying hydrated during summer's most relentless days. Finally, let's revisit August 7, 2013, when severe thunderstorms unleashed a barrage of hail across the northern plains. South Dakota witnessed some of the largest hailstones on record, with diameters exceeding 6 inches. The storms caused extensive damage to crops, homes, and vehicles, a testament to the incredible power packed within these fast-moving weather systems. That's a look back at this day in weather history. Stay weather aware, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
Good morning, listeners. This is Tempest with your wildfire and smoke situation update for today, August 7th, 2025. In the United States, the massive Pine Ridge Fire continues to blaze in Northern California, now spreading over 120,000 acres. Firefighters are struggling with high temperatures and shifting winds, prompting new evacuation orders in Shasta County. In Montana, the Great Divide Fire remains active, closing several trails and campgrounds in Lewis and Clark National Forest. Across the border, Canada is battling significant wildfires in British Columbia, with the largest one, the Clearwater Complex Fire, affecting air quality as far east as Alberta. Smoke from these fires is moving southward, impacting air quality in parts of the Pacific Northwest, including Seattle and Portland, where air quality alerts are in effect. Residents in affected areas are advised to stay indoors, use air purifiers if available, and wear masks if they must go outside. Emergency services urge those in evacuation zones to leave promptly and adhere to local advisories. Stay tuned for further updates, and remember, your safety is our priority. This is Tempest, signing off. Stay safe and stay informed. Hello, everyone. It's Tempest here, guiding you through the national weather forecast as we move from August 7th into the heart of August, all the way to the 21st, 2025. Let's explore the patterns and possibilities shaping our skies in the coming days. To begin, the jet stream is set to take a noticeable dip over the plains midweek. This will usher in a series of dynamic changes across the region, making way for rain and potentially thunderous storms across parts of the Midwest. As these systems sweep through, keep an eye on your local forecasts, especially if you have outdoor plans. Turning our gaze westward, the 6 to 10-day outlook promises a warming trend. Temperatures are expected to rise above normal levels, bringing a touch of summer's intensity back to states like California and Nevada. If you're planning any outdoor adventures, be prepared for some heat and stay hydrated. Moving to the 8 to 14-day forecast, the East Coast will likely experience a wetter-than-normal period. This could mean frequent rain showers, so don't forget your umbrella, especially along the coastal and inland areas from the Carolinas up to Maine. The gardens might welcome this extra moisture, but it could also lead to localized flooding in low-lying areas, so stay informed. Now let's zoom in on the Ohio Valley, where a mixed bag of weather is on the horizon. Residents in Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, and West Virginia should prepare for a blend of precipitation types as the cooler air makes its presence felt. This cooler spell might bring a brief respite from the summer warmth, offering a hint of the approaching fall. It's a good time to check your rain gear and perhaps enjoy a cool walk outdoors. As we transition into the latter part of August, the possibility of the season's first frost or snowfall isn't on the immediate horizon for the Ohio Valley or much of the country. However, the changing weather patterns could subtly influence the gradual transformation of fall leaf colors, especially if the cooler air persists. While wildfires have been a concern in recent years, there's currently no significant smoke expected to drift across the nation. Nonetheless, it's always wise to stay updated, especially if you have respiratory sensitivities. In summary, whether it's heat in the west, rain on the East Coast, or a cooler spell in the Ohio Valley, it's a dynamic period ahead. Keep an eye on local updates, and as always, stay prepared for whatever Mother Nature decides to bring your way. And that's a look ahead at what's coming across the country. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy the beauty of the changing skies.
I'm Onyx. Today is August 6th. Did you know that on this very day in 1890, the town of Eureka in Southern California experienced its hottest temperature ever recorded at 87 degrees Fahrenheit? It might seem mild compared to other heat waves, but for Eureka's typically mild climate, it was quite the scorcher. Remember, whether the weather is breaking records or just breaking clouds, there's always something fascinating in the forecast. Stay curious and stay cool.
New information: this flash flood warning has been updated.